Some of the key results from our side primarily was around the capacity building of the ambassador team. So this ambassador team are the rangers on the ground that are employed, boots on the ground, if you will. And the primary result for us, at least, is just these guys these teams were equipped with new uniforms, new cameras, binoculars, phones, and all of this together. In addition to all the training that we're able to do for them, so repeated refresher trainings that we're able to give to them was critical in enabling them to be more effective in their jobs, and enabling us to really help them take the next step from just sort of surveys to actually providing valuable information back and forth for species management.
Add on that also, another success is as we work on such a conflict-prone area, we are able to engage communities on peace meetings. We have an entity, we call it a conservation council, entails the two communities, Turkana and the Samburu communities. And we have been having consistent meetings to engage community on peace dialogues. And we have seen a change whereby people have been able to come together, to grace together, peacefully sharing resources together, especially pasture together. So to certain result we have seen after the end of the project.
Yeah, I think for me working with IUCN was quite insightful. Primarily, I think because in the beginning, just the level of let's say accountability needed from the project didn't really match what levels of accountability we were having from our other grants. The other grants are quite really sparse in what they needed from us, whereas the IUCN project really needed quite a lot. And although in the beginning maybe we saw it as an issue, actually at some point we realized it was an opportunity for us to really professionalize our own systems. And so working with Anne in the beginning, working with John, working with Faria now later towards the end, we've been able to use all their input to create new standard operating procedures for all our other projects as well. So now we've, both in terms of the financial, but as well as in terms of the reporting. So in the field, when people carry out activities, ensuring everything is documented correctly, ensuring everything we are saying that we've done has a why added to it. If we did 20-minute meetings, it's not just about the 20 meetings. Did those 20 meetings achieve anything? That's, I think, for me personally and for my team, that has been the biggest shift that has allowed us to, that the IUCN project has allowed us to have conceptually.
Yeah, that's true. We learned a lot through the deliverables submitted by IUCN. We have been overlooking some very important things in the field that we came to realize we need to get all information there in the field, because based on the question we have asked us what the field said, and a number of things like what have you achieved, the outcomes of the meetings, and so we tend to be documenting everything, the meetings, the reports, and the photos of those activities. We are able to have been packaging everything we do in every activity. So that's really an amazing experience that in the future, definitely we are going to be scaling other things to deliver what projects needs.